YouTube, it's me again. I picked up some stuff I'm going to show you. It's not a tool video. There's going to be a lot of these not a tool videos because I haven't bought any tools lately, but I bought stuff for my 8-inch tractor again. There's one more box coming and it's not the end of parts because the tractor is in shitty condition. It's not really shitty condition, it just needs a lot of parts. So I'm going to be showing you some tractor parts. If you want to move that box, move it out of the way, Kyle. I'm going to show you some stuff I picked up for the tractor. So let's dig into this and show you what I got. Is that there? Turn the light on here. What do we got here? A box full of stuff. Let's take it all out. Dump it out, dump it out. I have, what is this? I don't know what it is. It looks like spark plug cables. Extra spare spark plug cables. We have a muffler clamp, a hose clamp. We got a brand new hose clamp. I need several of those. This is a chrome top hood door latch. What I did is I picked up my hood on my tractor needs a new door. So here's the, shit, it's too bright here. But there we go. This is the hood latch. Let me see if this works any better with the light. Yeah, that's the hood latch. This is the little, I'll show you. This is the little thingamabobber that goes on the top of it. Let's see this. See, it's the little thing you turn to open the hood on the Ford 8N. Bought a brand new chrome one. Out of the box. This is the bottom piece for it that needs to be replaced. The little, that's a metal piece that screws on. This holds on the hood. The hood's got to be fixed or replaced. This is a starter switch terminal boot, little plastic booty. This, if I remember correctly, it's for the coil. I'm not a parts expert, but I know it's for something. This little bobber here, I had a hard time finding on the first 2-inch tractor because apparently they make 2 kinds of these. What are you doing over there, Kyle? And this little boot, apparently, if you have an 8-inch tractor, what? The hole on this side was the wrong size on my last one. The guy's like, oh, just stretch it, it stretches. The hole was about a quarter. I couldn't get over, so if you order one of these little shifter boots, make sure you get the right size hole, because apparently there's 2 different sizes. So that condensation don't fit in it, get in it. This is a radiator hose. This in the box here is a brand swanking new. It's for an 8-in or 2-in. This is a foot switch, which I think this is the switch for my 2-in. And the other one's my 8-in. So yeah, I gotta bring that. I picked up a lot of tractor parts. This is just one of the 3 boxes. This one right here, if I remember correctly, is a solenoid, a cutout assembly, which I picked up. Ta-da! If you want to know where I bought all this stuff, I bought it at a website called just8ns.com. Excellent service. Great people. I order, I get everything shipped. They ship it great. No problems with them. This is a starter repair kit. There's all kinds of, I don't know where that's supposed to go, but there's all kinds of stuff inside for a starter. So yeah, just in case. There's made in China. This is the brushes. They got 2 sets of brushes. All sorts of stuff. Which I probably shouldn't have taken out of the box, but there's springs and washers and I don't know what the hell that's for. But it's for the starter. And knowing me, I probably lost a piece already. So yeah, it's a starter thing. Last but not least, Last but not least, what do we have here? A new amp meter. Whoa. What's an amp meter? This tells you how many amps are on your tractor. It goes wee like this. So you start it up, it tells you where it is. Right now it's at 0. So maybe we should plug in some. So anyway, that is the tractor parts for this week. Yay! Awesome. Anyway.
Can we leave the LOL here?
Thanks for watching. I hope you like the channel. Subscribe, and if you like subscribe, I'll bring her back and we'll do some more videos.
Bye.
Say goodbye. Come away.
Bye.
Say bye to the 7-year-old. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.